The platform exceeded our expectations, which was not easy, and the outcome is absolutely great.
Amesto Global is a partner-owned, partner-led boutique professional services firm, and we assist fast-growing companies like scale-up companies with their expansion and operations in specifically North America and Europe. We actually focus a lot on technology and automation in our day-to-day practice.
Compliance is embedded in our DNA. When I joined the company, we didn't have any automated platform. Documents were scattered all around, decentralized. It was functional, but it was far from efficient.
Before Parallel, it was a lot of manual work, and we spent a lot of time just, coordinating. So we manually sent out emails with different PDFs and forms. And then for the client, from their perspective also, they obviously received these documents, had to download it, and then internally as well. Who should do the follow-up? Should we do it now? What stage are we in?
At Amesto Global, we were looking for a sustainable solution, a consistent platform with automation, parallel platform, basically check all the boxes that we were looking for. We have a very sophisticated risk scoring model following international recommendations. This has been one of the major improvements for us. So it's a big time saver, it's efficient, it's consistent, and it's objective. So it has all. The fact that we have now everything centralized is a huge improvement. All the documents, all the information, all the risk scorings in one place together. The response rate from the clients was very high. In the first 2 weeks, more than 60% of our clients replied to our request. The difference in terms of time is huge. I think the reduction of time is more than 50%. So that's significant. The common statement or conclusion was that the platform was very user-friendly and it was very intuitive.
Personally, I also like the dashboard, like the overview, but to keep track of everything.
The dashboards I'm using every day and multiple times a day, because the dashboard provides me in a split second with all the necessary information I need. It gives me all the statistics and it also identifies certain discrepancies.
So the biggest difference is like efficiency, time spent, and also to have everything in one place. It makes it way easier for us.
The collaboration with Parallel team was very good. I would definitely recommend Parallel to other compliance teams. We are very, very happy with the outcome.